The lid came off this tumbler. Let's see what happened. The band looks okay. I'm not really sure. Anyways, the rocks came out, all the liquid came out, ran down onto the ground, and now I have a mess to clean up. But when I got that mess cleaned up, let's at least see what we came out with. These have been tumbling for about a week. All I'm stepped in. Well, so far we've got some pretty cool colors. This is a really nicely colored jasper. What else? Yeah, this got dried on. And I cleaned it up, cleaned up the tumbler, got all that dried up grit, mud off there. Everything seems to be running well again. I filled up one of these barrels with a little more rough since what was in there had shrunk down from tumbling, so check it again in another couple weeks.